Hold it. Tight, tight, tight. Wow. Hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys see my face? My face is looking like this because I didn't ready to pick up the camera just yet. I woke up this morning and no, don't pick them off. And I've been so busy because I'm a little bit I'm like 20 minutes behind time, the time that I want to be. Tyler should actually be sleeping, but something so unexpected just happened. So I was feeding Tyler and my phone rang and it was no name but a number came up and the person said they have a delivery for me. So they have a delivery for me. I'm not expecting anything. I didn't order anything. So who could be sending me anything? So the person said that if I'll be home at 2 p.m. but I tell the person yes because the person was speaking in French and I was speaking so fast, but it's when I came off the phone I realized that 14 means 2 o'clock and I will not be home by 2 o'clock. I said, oh my god, let me call babe and tell babe that this person called, and I tell the person that I'll be home at 2, so tell them that I won't be home at 2. So babe called back the person and the person tell them that they're coming to me in 5 minutes. They have a delivery for me if I can come downstairs first. I said yes, sure, I'll come down for it. Go downstairs and this is what showed up. Bonjour. So I don't know who is sending it, but if I think properly, it can't be anybody except my husband. It can't be anybody except babe. Why? Because tomorrow is my birthday and it can only be him. There's a card on here. As I came in the house, I just pick up the camera. There's a card on here. I haven't read it. The only thing that's on the front is my name and my address, which hopefully you guys will zoom to see. The only thing is on the front is my name and my address. So I'm gonna take off the card to see if anything is written inside, but I'm sure it is babe. My heart is beating so fast because I wasn't expecting anything and I don't know who it is. It's my beautiful baby girl. Happy birthday tomorrow, mommy. Love you to the moon and back. Oh my god. Hey mom. I'm a mess. I'm getting emotional because I wasn't expecting it. I think it was babe. I didn't think it was mommy. Alright, take it. Thank you, mom. It's okay, baby. It's too heavy for you. I didn't think it was mom because mommy always send me birthday cards, or if she was sending me something she would tell me that she's sending me something. So I wasn't expecting it. I'm gonna kill her. I'm gonna kill her so bad. I can't believe she do this to me. I'm gonna kill her, I swear. Oh my god, it's mommy. It's grandma. It's mommy. Mommy? Yeah, it's mommy. He said to my beautiful baby girl, happy birthday tomorrow. Mommy love you to the moon and back. Oh my god. I am gonna kill mommy for this. But I appreciate the flowers. Thank you, mama. I know you're watching. And as you can see, Tyler is pretty exciting. Alright, let mama go put it to Ty, no! Oh. Come say hi to mommy. Come here. Say mommy. Mommy. Thank you. For mama. Flowers. some dust, gel dust in my hair. Damn, look at that. Hey guys, so I'm all set and ready to go for work, but first I have to go and drop Tyler off at the daycare because he have another hour to do today. I'm gonna drop him and baby's going to pick him up. So yeah, to say the least, my morning started off really well. Emotional, but it started off good, to say the least. So I guess it's official, birthday weekend has begun right now. Your girl, birthday tomorrow. Yes, it's my birthday tomorrow. Tyler is taking a nap. He have about 20 minutes more to nap before I go and pick him up so we can go and catch the bus. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys enjoy your weekend, whatever it is you're doing on this beautiful Friday, which doesn't look so beautiful for me outside because it's a little bit overcast, and I pray God that it doesn't rain. Because I have to take the bus to go bring Tyler to the daycare. Let me just show you guys a glimpse of how overcast it is outside. So that's outside right now, and it really looks like it's about to just pour down. The sun is peeking up just a little bit right here, but it was darker than that. So hopefully it stays this way and it doesn't rain by the time I leave the house. Yeah, you guys, I'm going to sort out this dust that I'm seeing in my hair from the gel and pick up Tyler, get him ready, and head out for the bus. Yes. You guys, I'm about to drop Tyler at crash. Wait for me. Yes, you're to say bonjour.
Alors, vous inquiétez pas. Là, il comprend. Il comprend que vous partez. You understand? You leave. But don't cry a long time,
Yes.
I think.
Yeah.
Listen, listen.
So,
He cry because he can't talk.
okay, you guys. So day 2 drop off wasn't as exciting as day 1. He cried just a little bit when he realized that I'm leaving, but I left, stood around the corner just 2 seconds, and he stopped. So he's okay. He'll get it. He'll be just fine. All right, I'm going to meet up with Babe now, give him Tyler's stroller, and then I will head to work.
Hi guys, so I'm back home. It's the weekend, and yeah, I'm here. We're having a little trouble with the bulb. Yesterday it turned off, so we need to go to the supermarket to get it, but because we're walking and it was very late, couldn't change it for now. So it's a little bit dark now. Baby's at work, and yeah, she's supposed to finish in like 30 minutes from now. So I'm here about to feed Tyler, and then we're gonna get ready to go supermarket. So it's gonna be darker and darker. We have a little light, but nothing much. So yeah, hopefully you can see us properly.
guys, I am back from work and at the supermarket with the boys after they pick me up, and it's your girl birthday tomorrow, so she is shopping and she's picking up all the things that she's not supposed to pick up. All the fatty things I'm going to indulge in, all the things I'm not supposed to eat, I'm going to eat it. So I am shopping and I'm getting all the things that I'm not supposed to get because it's my birthday weekend, so I can. Okay, it's exception. And of course my loudmouth son is the loudest of them all in the supermarket. But yeah, let's get this shopping done and head home. Come loudmouth, let's go. Yes, it's here. Honey, little ones. So if him don't eat it, you eat it. Little ones. Pizza. Once is pizza.
No, I'm saying this is a little one or this is too big?
No, these are little ones.
This is ham and cheese.
Yes, he might like that.
Pizza.
Pizza. You love pizza, pizza mouth?
Pizza. Pizza. Pizza.
Give him
Pizza.
pizza. Tyler, but you can't drop it like this. We're getting pizza for Tyler. Pick up another type, something that he might like, not something with no enough cheese or...
Yeah, that's why I don't see it.
Maybe we'll find it at the frozen. But this one looks good. This one that you do.
Yeah, it looks good, it's good.
Alright. Let go. I don't want any ham or... I think he have. So you guys, like I said, the birthday girl is going all out and she's eating everything that she's not supposed to eat this weekend. So you guys can guess where I am. I am at McDonald's. Babe ordering. But I am still not eating any meat. I'm eating fish. So I'm having fish sandwich. My hair is so shrink. And then of course we're gonna go home and it's the weekend and we are going to watch at least 2 episodes of Game of Thrones tonight. Put Tyler in bed. You don't know what you want? So yeah, we're just ordering some McDonald's and then we're gonna head home.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
Okay, maybe they just don't have
You
it.
don't see what you want?
Maybe they just don't have
Why
it.
you feel so warm? Hi.
Hi.
How are you? Say I am okay. Oh, give them bisou.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Give mama bisou.
Okay.
Oh, I love when he hold my face like that. Okay. Okay. How was daycare today? How was daycare today? You made new friends? Yes. The friends. You want fries? Papa buying fries. You're gonna get fries, okay? Okay? Fries? Love fries? Yes, fries. Sweet boy, so sweet. Fries. You don't find what you want?